Okay, let's see how we can create this metal badge using the free software called Inkscape. Now, I'm choosing the Windows XP color palette because it's distinct and I think it's easy to select. Now, to create a rectangle, select the rectangle tool and click and drag. Now, it's choosing the color. Now, to create the inner fold, we duplicate this rectangle by pressing Ctrl D shortcut and size it down. Now, clicking again, the skew handle will appear. We just skew that rectangle a little bit and place it on the side. To make it go onto the main rectangle, just press page down. Now to create another duplicate, we just use the Ctrl D shortcut and just scale it down a little bit and place it under the both shapes using the page down key twice. Now to create a vehicle, we first convert the object to a path, select the first two nodes, create an new node, just move that node with the Ctrl key pressed so that it moves in a straight line. Now we duplicate both of them by selecting them and pressing the Ctrl D and flipping them using the H key. Now align it to the right and just move it back using the page down button, and it's now ready. Just adding some text for fun. To make the badge more metal-like, we can use the gradient tool to select the colors. Just adding some stars to make it look more metal-like. Now, to make the main part of it a metal finish, we use the gradient color. So by default, the gradient color will be from the object color to a transparent color. We can change that transparent color by selecting that handle and just selecting another color. For a metal finish, I think there's some shiny light color variation as a highlight. You get some shiny metal badge. See, just adjust with some few colors and you will get a nice shiny badge. I hope you like it. Just try it and let me know in the comments.